Hello, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm presenting how to create a small family in Revit. So, first of all, we need to open families, new families. So, we'll go here, go to English. Okay, so I'm just make a simple generic model. So, I just open one. So, here is this is the family template. So we can do one thing like we are making a simple family. So we'll first of all we'll take one reference line over here. Okay, so here also we made one, and here also we made one, and here also we made one. So then after that we can create the parameters. Like I'm taking one dimensions from here and here, and I will place like this and make it a equal. So another dimensions also I take it from here to here, and same thing I'm doing here also, like this way, and I put one long dimensions also. Then I need to create one parameter over here. So I will just go to here label. No, just I click here. So here I need to create a parameter. So I'll just a family parameter and I put type and give the name as a length. Sorry, length. I'm just giving name as a length. Okay, so then I in the group parameter under dimension. So I click OK. So once you move it this one, it will also like we can change this one from here like 2300 like that. We can change the dimension length, and here also you can go from the properties. So here also you can change whatever you need, so it will come equally divided. Okay, apply. So it will affects here. Okay, so that I make as a length, and here also I just made one another like I say as it is width. Okay, width, and I put it in a parameter under group dimensions, and then I pick OK. Then I go to create, and I made one extrusion, and I took one um, rectangle, and I draw like this, and I close this one. So depth I mentioned like this. Okay, so automatically it will come, so don't worry. So just click OK, and then I need to align with this one, align with this lines, this lines. Okay, so I just select this one, and I align with one and unlock it, and select this one and aligned it and lock it, and select this one and aligned it and lock it, and select this one and aligned it and lock it. So now this one is aligned with this one. So when we change the dimension, so it will be also change. So we'll see, uh, I'm changing the dimension. So here I can place like 1,000. Width is 1,000, and this one also I will place like 1,000, and I will apply. So it will be changed here. So I keep it as a like a little bit big, like the 2,500, and this so the that one is 1,500, and I keep apply. Okay, so it is coming like this. If you go to the 3D model, 3D view, so it is showing like this views. Okay, shaded. So it is going like this. So here also we can make like if you can change this one 1,500, apply, it will affect there also. Okay, so this is a simple one for the making parameter. Like another one, we need to go to some elevation like height. So it's showing here is no height. So we need to make one another parameter. So create and reference plane, and I make one reference plane here. Okay, and same thing I will do here also, like one dimensions I place, and giving this parameter for height. Okay, height I given, and same thing, so I put this that one, and I will same thing and align with this one. Oh, sorry, and lock it. Okay, then if you go here, it will affected here also. So once we change the height, it will showing in our family types in parameters. So we can change the height like 1,000. It will affects on this our family also. So this is very simple one. If you like this one, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you.